Do you want to make a poll on your Instagram? I'll show you two different ways to make a poll on Instagram. First of all, go to your Instagram. Let's create a story. From story, tap on sticker and here select poll. And now go ahead and write your poll question here. And write here your poll answer. That's how you can go ahead and add multiple answer and tap on color, and you can change your poll color from here. Tap on done and you can just resize the poll just like this, and then just tap on your story. And this was the first way to make a poll for our Instagram. Now let's see how to make a poll for normal post. So tap on this plus icon, select post. I'm selecting a random photo from my gallery, tapping on next. In here, tap on poll. Go ahead and write your poll question, enter your poll answer. That's how you can go ahead and add more answers. Tap on done. We can see the poll add date, tapping on share to share this post on my Instagram. Going to my profile and just opening the post. And here we can see the post with the poll. So that's how you can actually make poll for Instagram. Thanks for watching.